This is my bike jack. Oh fucking hell. Colt waffle grips, Odak power ends. Federal drop bars, 9-inch dries, come down to 28 width. Subrosa hold on stem, pretty good. I had a Odyssey V37, it was shit. Odyssey headset, 123 spacer, Odyssey preload bolt, directors, best box ever had. Colt tyre, 2.25, I think. Yeah, fucking A's, dead fat. G-Sport roll cage rim. Vocal spokes, snap spokes anyway, so buy cheap ones. Odyssey Mandera 2 hub, rolls stupidly fast, all of it. Haven't bent axles yet, and if you do, just take the bolts out and they're cheap. Subrosa Sweet One Peg, quite new, out. Aaron Ross Sunday Funday frame, 2011. Orange. Total combo seat, big rip, not very strong seat, just covering's not very strong, so if you back on a lot I won't get it. Odyssey Mr. Clampy 2, Odyssey $1 million sprocket 28 tooth with a shadow chain. I wouldn't do it ever again because you can see it's cut into my sprocket, the chain, because the pins are dead long. The new Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, left hand drive, 175. Odyssey twisted pedals, plastic. I'm gonna say cheap shit. Premium metals got stuck to my 12 bolt, so I couldn't get them off. Anyways, anyone knows I can get them off, please leave in the comments. G-Sport ratchet hub, vocal spokes, G-Sport roll cage rim, Colt tyre, Kenny Renner juice on both. I fuck miss that walking bracket. 22 Odyssey mid bottom bracket. Don't even know if you think you can, but you know, just bottom bracket just does shit, makes your bike roll faster. Just the hub, it's quite hard. I'm brakeless. When I ride brakes, I do have a Odyssey gyro set up with Odyssey over 2 calipers, Odyssey to undermod, Odyssey dual cables, M2 lever. I'm not a very good rider, but basically I have this bike because my dad owns a bike shop, so you know. Oh, I missed off that peg as well. So it's a Subrosa Sweet Peg. With the pegs you get wax of them. They're about the same size as the little ones. I think Subrosa is owned by Shadow British or something like that. Yeah, strong bike. In fact, no, I did break one of the brake mounts on this frame. If you see underneath it, they put it on, it's not very strong, and it snaps off when I pull my brake. But Sunday sent me a whole new frame, and my frame looks kind of pinky on yellowy, but it's not. It's more of a bright orange. It's because I don't have a memory card for my camcorder yet, so can't put it in HD for very long. So yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe. I'll probably put in on edits quite often. Yeah. Thank you.